What do cleaning your room, cooking a recipe, and sorting your emails have in common? They all use algorithms. But don't worry, that's just a fancy word for step-by-step instructions. An algorithm is simply a set of instructions a computer follows to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it like a recipe. First do this, then do that, all in a specific order to get a specific result. Here's how algorithms work. Let's say you Google, "best pizza near me." An algorithm jumps into action. It looks at your location, scans millions of websites, filters results based on reviews, distance, and popularity, and shows you the top choices all in a split second. Behind the scenes, algorithms are sorting, comparing, and calculating constantly, helping computers decide what to do next. Algorithms are everywhere. They recommend what movie you'll love next on Netflix, guide traffic routes in GPS apps, sort posts on social media to show you what's most relevant. They help computers make smart decisions faster than any human could, all based on logic, data, and rules. So, an algorithm is just a smart, step-by-step way for computers to solve problems and get things done. Simple or complex, algorithms are the brains behind the digital tools we use every day. Algorithms, the step-by-step instructions powering the digital world. Want to learn more tech terms? Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy explanations.